Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow a channel on Telegram on your PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily stop following a channel. To begin, open telegram.com on your PC. Once you're on the Telegram website, navigate to the channel that you want to unfollow. Locate the channel you wish to unfollow and click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the channel's page. This will open a menu of additional options. From the drop-down menu, select the Leave Channel option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to leave the channel. Confirm your decision to unfollow the channel by clicking on the appropriate button in the confirmation prompt. By unfollowing a channel, you can declutter your Telegram feed and focus on the channels that are most relevant to you. Unfollowing channels that no longer interest you can help streamline your Telegram experience and ensure that you receive updates only from channels you actively engage with. By following these steps, you can easily unfollow channels on Telegram on your PC, customizing your channel subscriptions to suit your preferences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding how to unfollow channels on Telegram on your PC. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.